How to factory data reset the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Reset. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on Factory Data Reset. From here, it will say all data will be erased from your phone, including Google account, system and app data. So everything on your phone will be erased. If there are data like pictures, music, contacts, etc. that you want to keep, make sure you back it up first. You can back it up to the cloud, or you can back it up to an SD card. You can back it up to your computer. And once it is back up, you can then go ahead and tap on the reset button at the bottom. Next, we enter the phone PIN. Then tap on the continue button. Then tap on delete all. And here it will start to reset the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. Here, after that, it will boot up with a Samsung logo. And now showing Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. And after that, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. And from here, you can choose to set up again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.